If you're getting a failed to copy to clipboard error on your Android phone, there's a couple of common things that can trigger that error. The most common situation is when this happens with text, and it's actually because you're trying to copy too much information at once. Android has a hidden character limit for the clipboard, often related to your phone's available memory or specific app restrictions. So if you try to copy a massive web page or a giant Word document all at once, the system usually rejects it. This article here, for example, is pretty massive, and once I'm able to get the copy button visible, my phone will fail to copy this to the clipboard because there's simply too much text. When this happens, copy in smaller chunks. When you split the page into a few separate copies, your phone should handle it no problem. Sometimes copying also fails because of security restrictions. A little less common, but apps like banking apps, streaming services, or certain incognito browser tabs can sometimes block the clipboard to prevent sensitive data or copyrighted info from being moved. If that's the case, you're often better off by taking a screenshot or just manually typing the info to a note. In some cases, it could also be your keyboard that's causing issues, and we can reset that in your settings. I'll go to Settings and then scroll down to Apps. Then I'll tap See All Apps, and from the list, we'll find Gboard, which is the default keyboard for most Android users. If you're using something else, look into the settings of your default keyboard. Once I'm in the Gboard app settings, I'll first hit the Force Stop button to tell my phone to shut down the keyboard and restart it. That alone is often enough to fix temporary glitches with your clipboard. If that didn't help, you can also scroll down to the Storage section and then clear the cache for Gboard. Cache files are temporary files that help apps run faster and smoother, and sometimes clearing the cache can fix small issues like this. It's important to not clear the storage, because that's a full factory reset for your keyboard, and you'll lose all your custom dictionary and learned words. Let me know how it goes, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. And while you're at it, click that like button, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video.